everyone, today I want to introduce to you ZEROPLUS DSO Module. ZEROPLUS has purposely developed this DSO module to focus on fulfilling various suggestions and demands from our end users. And DSO module includes the following features. With the same functionality as MSO, the DSO module continues the compact and easy to carry style as the FC logic analyzer. Its specification could satisfy 80% of the issues reported from our end user testing trails. Being the most cost efficient, the DSO module can provide an easy upgrade for multiple signal measurement. So it's a perfect tool to display digital or analog signals and data packets with our FC logic analyzer. Next, let me show you the DSO module product package. ZEROPLUS DSO module package includes the DSO module, warranty card, instruction guide, one single and dual channel cables, and 2 sets of ports. The DSO module summarizes the interface, and its intuitive design will significantly reduce the learning time for new users, so they can easily maneuver the settings and functionalities. Now I will use the following picture from instruction guide to show you all icons on the panel. Number 1 is the power LED. Number 2 is the trigger level. Number 3 is the channel 1 0 voltage and channel 2 0 voltage position adjustment. Number 4 is the channel 1 and channel 2 vertical scale. Number 5 is the channel 1 and channel 2 input. Number 6 is the port compensation. Number 7 is the sampling clock. Number 8 is the trigger source. You can refer to the instruction guide for more detailed information. Next, let me show you hardware installation. We will use the single channel cable to demonstrate the installation. Both single and dual channel cables connect the same way. Take single channel cable and follow the instruction guide to insert the channel cable to the DSO module. And then connect to the FC logic analyzer. Then connect the logic analyzer to the computer. And connect our port to the DSO module. At channel 1 position. After the parts have been connected, please follow the instruction guide to initiate setting. And I will demonstrate how to initiate setting. First is the DSO module initial setting. Channel 1 voltage per DIV, select 2 DIV. Sampling clock, select 2.5 MHz. And trigger, select channel 1. Next, you can start the software initial setting. Open the software. Please use the newest version. The newest version you can download on our website. Click on MSO. Select single channel. Memory size, select 2 KB. Sampling frequency, select 2.5 MHz. Vertical scale, select 2 voltage per DIV. Trigger condition, select rising edge. Trigger mode, select auto. Press start. Channel 1 will show the parallel line, because at this time we did not enter the signal. If the time baseline is not on the 0 voltage scale line, please adjust the CH1 0 voltage ADJ with an adjustment tool to move the time baseline to 0 voltage position. Connect the port to the port compensation output. If a square wave is not very square, it may be a phenomenon that the port has been overcompensated or undercompensated. This will affect the oscilloscope measurement waveform error. Please use the adjustment tool to adjust the square wave to the most square. After completing the software user interface setting, user can start using the DSO module as desired. Regarding software interface and functionality demonstration, user can refer to another video link. For only $2,980, ZEROPLUS DSO module can easily upgrade your Lab C to MSO. It's a steal for the price. That is the DSO module introduction. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.